Morning, you guys. It's not actually morning. It feels like morning to me. I just slept for like 4 hours. I was dead. Anyways, so since I just woke up, I took a shower. I am actually headed out to supper soon here with one of my friends that I met here. And then tomorrow morning at like 7:15 in the morning, we're heading out to go 2-day, 1-night Whitsundays tour. I don't really know like a lot of what we're doing, and no one really does. I don't think we know like the activities specifically that we're doing. We're gonna be visiting some beaches and stuff like that and like a good lookout, but I don't know other than that. I'm really stoked about that. And after that, it'll be pretty much the end of my trip. I'm sad, I'm falling in love with Australia. I don't wanna leave. For the night. Alright, you guys, so we just got onto our boat. We're actually heading out from the dock right now. We're going over to a beach. I'm not quite sure the name yet, but once we get there, I'll let you know. So yeah, we're heading out right now. The tour goes from 8 a.m. today. We stay overnight somewhere, we just dock somewhere, and then we go scuba diving tomorrow, and then we head back home around 4 p.m. Whitsundays Island, and we're gonna be going up for a little tiny hike to this cool lookout, and then we're just gonna head over to the this famous beach in the Whitsundays. Back again, and yeah, so we just went and visited the Whitsundays lookout. So beautiful, like those views. It like, I wish I had a way better camera, or I could just get everyone who's watching this to see it in person. Like if you ever have the chance to get to Australia, definitely do the Whitsundays because it's so beautiful. I'm like, it's crazy. So now we just did a little more of a hike from the lookout to the beach. We're just gonna chill here for about 3 hours, I think. And then after that, we're going back to the boat. So yeah, it's a really chill day, and it's a beautiful sightseeing day. My breath is still taken away. On the boat again, obviously. We spent about 4 hours at the beach, and I got so burnt, like you probably can't even see it. Like, anyways, now we're going to just chill, find somewhere to sit for a bit, eat some snacks, and then we're gonna head over to dock for the night. I'm not sure where yet, But yeah, and then probably just have some supper, drink some beers, and chill out. And yeah. Last night we just kind of chilled out, like I said, and ended up drinking and kind of took it easy and then just went to bed. And this morning we all woke up around like, I woke up at like 5:30. I was the first one up. I slept up on the deck. So that was really fun. It was really nice. It was really peaceful this morning. I honestly think I could live on a boat. So nice. Anyway, so today, like I said, we're going snorkeling. And right now that's actually where we're headed. We're going over to the spot and it's about 6:30, 7 a.m. right now. So yeah, I think about in an hour we'll be heading out snorkeling. I don't really know how much I'm gonna be able to film because I don't have an underwater camera. But yeah, that's the plan for today. We're going snorkeling. How do you feel?
I'm feeling so excited. I can't contain it. One sec, guys.
We look like squid.
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film cool shots for snorkeling, but it was definitely a cool experience to see all the different colored coral and fish.
We just had some lunch and now we're going back to Airlie Beach for the after party tonight. I might film a little bit of it, I'm gonna see. If not, it's because I'm having too much fun and I don't want to be around my phone. So yeah, now the plan is just to head back. It's about like a 2-hour boat ride and we'll be back around 4 o'clock. So yeah. Back from our tour, 2 days on the boat. It was really fun. Honestly, one of the best experiences I've had so far traveling. Tonight we're going to a after party. I'm gonna end the video here because I am not gonna have time to film tonight, and that's about it. Tomorrow morning I leave for a bus to get all the way to Cairns, and then when I'm in Cairns I get there around 7:30 p.m. tomorrow night, and then I'm gonna be taking a flight on Jetstar from Cairns to Brisbane at like 6 a.m. and then trying to get home on the standby flight. Yeah, so I'm kind of really sad because my trip's done in like 2 days and it's really been fun. But yeah, that's like the 5th or 6th adventure on this YouTube channel now. So if you liked it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.